Can we put it in?
Open.
Well, open it later, sweetie.
Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna go through all your eggs in a minute, okay?
That's
Shiny.
I'm doing the video.
Daddy will open it in just a minute, okay? Let's find all the eggs. We have to find all the eggs before we open any more.
Kind of like Christmas.
Oh, look at that! Oh, you found another one. Here, Daddy, hold.
that's
Yeah, that, more chocolate, huh? Oh, there's one. Here, put it in here. Just put them in.
Let's find all of them
Find
first.
all of them first.
Oh.
Oh, put it in, put it in. Put it in. What's that? What is it?
what is
Quentin's, yeah, it's Quentin's, but what is it? Money.
what egg?
More eggs. Get them.
What egg? We
Oh, there's one. Put it in your bag. Put it in. What did you get?
get
What is it?
it.
Another egg.
Ow.
Okay, Daddy will open one for you.
Sure.
Go look, find more eggs while Daddy opens. Put it in your basket, please. Put it in. There you go.
What eggs?
Can you go find more eggs?
Yeah.
Where are they?
What egg? What egg?
Come over here.
Chocolate.
Put that one in the basket. Yeah, more chocolate, sweetie. You know what it is.
Is
Yeah, chocolate. Here you go. Bite.